How to add collections in Shopify. Now to get started, head over to your Shopify dashboard and then head over to the product section right here on the left. Then navigate to collections, and right here you can then set up your collections. Now by default you're already going to have your homepage collection. For now you can actually just ignore this. Instead head over to create collection right here on the top right, and right here we will then have to give our collection a title. Now, for example, I guess I will just go with tops right here, as I have a clothing store and I'm just going to build up an example, but this could be literally anything. And then right here you can add a description for your collection. So right here I would then just include something like, this is a collection of, I don't know, these items and so on. Basically you have full freedom with this. And then as for the collection type, usually I would recommend you to leave this at manual. However, if you do have a store with, I don't know, hundreds of products, then it would actually make sense to leave this at automated, so that this will actually add products automatically depending on certain conditions. And then you can actually also set the search engine listing right here. So I guess I will just edit this and I'm going to include Krause clothing right here. And then we can also set the SEO description right here, which I would recommend you to do. However, I don't want to waste your time essentially, so I'm not going to do this right now. Now, as for publishing right here, basically you can just leave this at default. However, right here on the image, you will actually have to add an image that is going to represent this collection. So in my case, I'm just going to upload this image of a t-shirt right here, and then I'm going to click on save on the top right. However, as of right now, we don't actually have any products added onto our collection. And to change this, we want to actually click on browse right here in the middle, and then we want to add products onto our collection. Now, in my case, as I have a collection for tops, I would then just select the relaxed fit t-shirt as well as the relaxed hoodie right here, and I'm going to add this onto my collection. And now we do have our collection tops right here set up with all of the different products inside it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and check out my free resources down below to supercharge your Shopify journey.